Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I'm actually reviewing for the first time some luxury lashes. I got sent this by Brook Hansen in the mail. These are by Red Aspen. Let me go ahead and read what the back says about these absolutely beautiful lashes.
It says, these lashes are made from silk and looks fibers. This multi-layered 3D lashes boost the exquisitely subtle flare suitable for any occasion and are sure to make your eyes pop.
So 90% of the time I wear Ardell lashes. Occasionally I will wear elf lashes that look similar, but this is the first time me actually getting like luxurious lashes or higher end lashes. So I was wondering, is it a huge difference from like the Ardell? With the Ardell lashes, I always have to wear eyeliner because the band is never thick enough or the lashes are too heavy, but I'm not sure if I have to wear eyeliner with these. We're gonna go ahead and try them on and I will tell you whether this is worth your money or not. If I like them, I think I will post Brooke's information down below in the description box. No, this is not a sponsored video. It is just a fan who sent me a product to review. So let's go ahead and open these up and see if we like them or not. You can see my makeup is done. I just don't have any eyeliner on and I'm wearing lighter eyeshadow so you guys can really see whether or not these are beautiful or not. So I'm going to zoom the camera in to get a better shot so you guys can see what they look like once I've already trying to put them on. This is what they come like. Let's go ahead and just look close up. You guys can see. So before I put it on, I want you to see this. That's what I was talking about. Look at that. The multiple layer. And it almost looks like every single lash comes to a very, very fine point. That's what it looks like from the front. And you guys can see that it's glued on only right here and right there because you can see that gap underneath, which is nice. But just pushing it to, showing you guys the side right here, putting it on the side. Isn't that freaking awesome? You guys can see up close how the band looks. It is a full band, but it's not like super heavy. Removing the lashes, you always want to grab the outer, not the inner, the outer edge and just pull them straight up. Those came off very easily. They're not glued down completely. They're only glued down on the very edges. At least that's what it felt like. Yep. And I do like that because I hate having to pull all of the glue off the Ardells. Some people do this, some people don't. I like to pull off any extra glue that's on the lashes. So I'm gonna take my handy dandy lash holder. I will post a link to this. I cannot put on lashes. I can, but it's much more difficult if I don't have this lash holder. I will have to say they are beautiful looking lashes, but do they look good on my eye? I don't know. And they are down. And honestly, I did not think that it was gonna make that big of a difference having like the multiple layers. But as I'm looking in the mirror here, it is so like complimenting to the eye. It is so like flirtatious to see that there's multiple layers. Let's see if I look sideways, can you see the multiple layers? And look at that, it actually gave me the illusion that I'm wearing eyeliner. These are so pretty and so much longer than I'm used to wearing. I mean, if I push them totally up like this, watch, you're gonna see how much, look how long these are. But being that long and still looking like this gorge is just like, wow, this is just gorgeous. Now, I honestly, truly didn't think it was going to be a big difference. I personally think it is a big difference. These are just so extremely like fluttery and flirtatious because of that multiple layer in it. It's almost like you have lashes that go like this, lashes that go like that, and then some that go like that going up. So it's so flirtatious and so pretty. And the fact that I didn't have to put any eyeliner on, I do love that. I do feel that they're a little bit heavier on the eye than what I'm typically used to. But then again, you guys know that I'm so used to wearing Ardell lashes. These are all the Ardell lashes that I have been wearing and reviewing. But this is like boom, boom. So these lashes, I'm going to say, wow. I guess they are worth the extra cost to get a lash like this. It kind of saves you time in your makeup routine, especially if you wear eyeliner and always have a hard time keeping that eyeliner on. I can't believe how it looks like that I have eyeliner on and I don't. I'm looking at myself in the mirror here and I'm looking at myself in my camera, and I actually really super love these lashes. So thank you, Brooke, for sending them to me. I will post her information down below, but look at that. I mean, look at like all the different sizes, all the different multiple layers that you can see in there. These are just so pretty. Let me go ahead and put the other one on and show you guys the complete difference. So this one, as you can see from here to there, makes it look like I have eyeliner on. And this one doesn't look like I have any eyeliner on. And these are like the big luxurious ones by Ardell, but it still looks like I have no eyeliner on. Okay, so I just popped it on. That is the completed look. I absolutely love these lashes. Now, I'm not saying anything bad about the Ardells. I'm just saying that most of the Ardells come with this type of wimpy like plastic band, and this band is so thick that it makes it look like I have eyeliner on. And plus, they're just stunning. Now, I don't know if this meets everybody's price range. If you do like the Ardell, Ardell makes a bunch of different ones as well. But does it meet everybody's budget to go spend this much on lashes? No. So obviously there's alternatives out there. But if you have a little bit of extra money and it can actually spend on a good quality pair of lashes, I'm going to say that these are so beautiful. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button, little subscribe button, and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.